In this video, we are going to be looking at if statements and logical operators. So when we combine if statements and logical operators, it helps us to check for some complex conditions. So we have three logical operators. We have the AND, logical AND, we have the logical OR, and logical NOT. So these are the three logical operators. So the AND operator returns true if both conditions are true. So if you have two conditions and they both evaluate to true, then we have true. So as you can see in this example, we have let y, we have y to be 5, and we have x to be 5, and we have y to be 10, and we are checking if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. That means in this case the two values must be greater than 0. So both x and y must be greater than 0 for this condition to be true. So in this case, this is true because x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. So we display both x and y are positive. So we can see that we are utilizing the logical AND operator here to be able to combine these two conditions or expressions. We can also use the logical OR operator, and it returns true if at least one condition is true. So when you have the logical OR operator, you can use it on two or more expressions. So you can have two or more expressions combined together with the logical OR operator. So in that case, at least one condition has to be true to get the overall response to be true. So if any of this is true, then the overall response is going to be true from here. So at least one of x or y is true. The NOT operator is used like this. So you can see how it's used here. The NOT operator negates the condition. So it gives you the opposite of your condition. So if your condition is true, then you end up with a false, and if your condition is false, you end up with a true. So it returns true if the condition is false and false if the condition is true. So here's an example. We can see x is 5, and in the if statement we are checking if x is greater than 10. So in this case, we say if x is not greater than 10. So if x is not greater than 10, so that's what we're checking here. And remember, you have to put this into bracket, because if you say not x, this will evaluate to something else, and then by the time you check with this, you should have the wrong answer. Okay, so you have to enclose this in brackets like this. So not x is greater than 10. So in essence, you are saying if x is not greater than 10. So x is not greater than 10. So if x is not greater than 10, then this will get printed. And you can also combine these operators to create more complex conditions. So you can combine AND and OR operator to achieve even more complex conditions. So in this example, we have x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. So the first thing we are checking is if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, or x plus y is equal to 0, right? So if any of this is true, then it says either both x and y are positive, or x plus y equals 0. Right, so we can combine this in this way, when working on projects, you'll find this useful. So you will combine the or and the and logical operators. You can also use the not as well, so you'll find this useful. So again, type all this in your playground and see the results. By that, you'll be able to understand better how this works. So that is it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.